Hi class, here's the idea in this particular section. So we're going to have an integral that it's actually going to have a multiplication of a chain rule. And the idea is that if the integral it's coming from some sort of a chain rule, then we can actually rewrite it in simplest form and technically express it as just the integral of f of u du with the proper limits of integration. So we're talking about the limits of integration from technically a to b. And here's the idea. So this is a trick that it's going to allow us to find the actual integral of this function. And the idea is that, well, the given integral may be messy or in a messy form due to a chain rule that occurred as somebody differentiated. So now to obtain the original function, one method of integration is the u substitution. So it simply starts like this. So you're going to let u equal to one of the functions. And in this case, you technically just have an x plus 1, but there is an invisible 1 there. That is the resulting value of the chain rule. So what you could do here is, in order to simplify this integral, it's just say let u is equal to the values of x plus 1. Now, from this portion, for us to do the u substitution, we're going to have to differentiate both sides of this, equality statement. So in this case, you're going to get the derivative of u is equal to technically 1 times the derivative of the x. And you're going to try to evaluate, technically the u term and then the differential, and see if once you plug it into the original function that you're evaluating, you're able to reduce the integral to a simplest form. So the idea is, after we do a key substitution, is it easier for us to evaluate the resulting integral? So, for example, take a look at this one. So you still have the integral. Now, you no longer have a x plus 1. That is going to be our u. Don't forget to the fourth power. And the x ended up being, technically the u. And in this case, this is just u to the 5th over 5 plus your constant of integration. Now, the idea was so that you're able to express the integral in simplest form. And then you can go back to the original, terms that you were integrating. In reality, you were integrating x plus 1. So this one's going to give us that this is, let me rewrite it. The term of x plus 1 to the 5th power divided by 5 plus, don't forget the constant of integration. So in this case, this is our final answer. Our main solution is x plus 1 to the 5th divided by 5. There is no need to expand the x plus 1, since the main idea was in order for us to rewrite it in simplest form. In this case, using a substitution for the u. So you have to have, in order to apply this problem, a function, and then on the outside, you have to have, the multiplication of the chain rule in order for it to work. And then we're able to reduce it or use theorem 1.8.